Hi, this is Kelly from Petica Kelly and Play Learn Talk, and today's video is going to be about resizing your images and how to do it really efficiently and quickly. So if you've watched any of my videos, you've probably heard me complain when I get to the point of resizing images. It's like my biggest pet peeve. I hate doing it. And one of you guys actually left a comment on a couple videos ago and said, hey, like here's a simple way to do it. So to Miss Bernice who left that comment, thank you so much. It has made a huge difference for me. So I wanted to go ahead and share it to you guys. For those of you who do not know how to do this already, I'm going to demonstrate it in this deck. I have had a request from one of you to make a reveal a picture boom card game, so I am in the process of doing that. And you can leave a comment below if you'd like a reminder when that video comes out. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and take a look at this deck so you can see the image that we're going to be working with, and then I'm going to show you how to do it. So here's the image. It's one big square, and when we click on the picture, it's going to reveal the underneath picture. Okay, so it appears as if each piece is disappearing, but it's actually one whole entire image. And what we want is to make sure that each of these full images is in the exact same spot so that it looks like just these little pieces in isolation are being moved, okay? So we're gonna go into the Boom workstation and we're just gonna make a new slide. So add a new card, and I'm gonna move that up here. And let's see, we're going to add an image, okay? So we're gonna grab the first image, and you see how it kind of like sizes out like that. We're gonna size it down so it fits in the page. And I like that size right there, okay? So now in the past, I used to duplicate that slide, right? And then I would drag another image out, and this would be the next one, and then I'd have to like resize it down, you know, which is not too hard, but when you're doing really complicated decks, it gets very tedious, right? And it takes your time. So instead of doing, oh, and then on top of this, I would now have to delete this one, right? So then I would have to send this back and then delete this one. So a lot of steps. So what we're gonna do instead is we are going to simply duplicate this card or clone it, and then we're gonna double click on the picture and we're just gonna grab the next picture. That's it. So easy. Okay. So that's all you would do. And it makes it super, super, super easy. I'm so excited about it. All right. I hope you found this really helpful. Please share it with other people because it is going to save them time for sure. I've been creating for about a year now and I have not heard of this. So once again, big thank you to Bernice. And if you guys see anything in the videos that I'm sharing that like you have a tip, please leave a comment below. I am just sharing how I make my boom cards. I am not an expert, but I certainly enjoy sharing. So please share with me and we can collaborate and help each other save time as we're creating games. All right, have a great week.